Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Glean for AI knowledge automation search step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in the Glean website URL. Press enter to navigate to the Glean homepage. Once the page loads, locate the sign up button at the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to proceed. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password and enter it in the password field. Confirm your password by entering it again. Check the box to accept the terms and conditions. Click on the Create Account button to complete this step. Next, check your email inbox for a verification email from Glean. Open the verification email and click on the link provided to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Glean website and log in with your email and password. After logging in, explore the options for subscribing to AI knowledge automation services. Select the subscription plan that best fits your needs. You'll be prompted to enter your payment information. Provide the necessary payment details securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.